Looking for the best laser module in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best laser module available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The LaserTree 10W High Power Laser Module delivers impressive performance for CNC engraving and cutting tasks. Its strong output ensures clean, precise cuts on wood, leather, and acrylic. The built-in air assist with metal nozzle effectively reduces burn marks and improves edge quality. TTL support allows easy control and compatibility with various machines. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and small workshops, it offers reliability, efficiency, and excellent value for detailed engraving projects. Number 4. The LaserTree 20W Optical Power Laser Module is a powerful upgrade for CNC engraving and cutting enthusiasts. With true 20W optical output and advanced beam compression, it delivers strong, precise cuts on wood and acrylic. The built-in air assist nozzle improves edge quality by reducing burn marks and smoke buildup, ensuring cleaner results. It also supports TTL control for smooth compatibility with various machines. Its efficient cooling system and stable performance make it ideal for both DIY projects and semi-professional workshop use. Number 3. The LaserTree 20W/40W Optical Power Laser Module is a versatile and high-performance solution for DIY laser engraving and cutting. Featuring advanced diode technology with compressed beam output, it delivers strong power density for precise engraving and efficient cutting on wood, acrylic, and leather. The built-in air assist system helps reduce burn marks and improves edge quality by clearing smoke during operation. With TTL/PWM control support, it integrates with most CNC and engraving machines. Its solid build, stable output, and flexible power options make it ideal for both hobbyists and semi-professional users. Number 2. The LaserTree K3030W Optical Power Laser Module is a powerful and reliable choice for serious engraving and cutting tasks. Combining 6 diode lasers into a compressed beam, it delivers true 30W output for fast, deep, and precise cutting on wood, acrylic, and more. The built-in air assist system reduces burn marks and improves edge quality, while dual-fan cooling ensures stable, long-term operation. With TTL/PWM compatibility, it integrates easily with most CNC machines. Overall, it's an excellent upgrade for DIY users and professionals seeking high efficiency and consistent performance. Number 1. The LaserTree 40W Laser Module is a high-performance tool designed for serious engraving and cutting tasks. Equipped with 8 powerful diodes and advanced beam compression, it delivers true 40W optical output for fast, precise cuts on wood and other materials. The built-in air assist system reduces burn marks and improves edge quality, while TTL/PWM support ensures wide compatibility with CNC machines. Its efficient cooling system enhances stability and lifespan, making it an excellent choice for DIY users and professionals alike.